back to it. Sorry about that, but I just dropped my remote control by the side of me. Oh. I flew up as well. So once you got there, back out of it. Right, go to programs, come down, click onto it, edit settings, come down to network, network again, catch buffer size, delete that, type in your number, it was 545 295 200. I think, yeah, it was 2 not 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 figure number. Done. It'd go like that. Now you come down to the next one, buffer mode. Each number represents different situation in the household. I'll go for number 1 because I can then buffer everything that comes to my computer or box or whatever. Read buffer factor. Depending on the speed of your internet as well, how good it is. I think this can go up to 20, but it tell worth just putting 20. Put 8 first, then 10, then 12. That's what I do. I'll put 12 because I've already done my numbers. That's done. Done. That's finished. Back out of it. Back out of it. Edit settings. Go under below. Write XML file. What you just done is going to write it and put it in the computer or whatever you got. Click. As you can see, it's written it. Back off out of it. That's done. What you are going to do as well, come down to the bottom, turn it off. Exit. Come back on there, then get back on. Oh. Dismiss that. Incoming castaway independent, that means it might need updating. Click the right. I'll go there. I'll just go to the system just in case. Settings. Come down to add-ons. Go to available updates. As you can see, it's updating again. Right, done. Already know that, but I don't change it to 16.1 yet. I'm going to wait till number 17 to come out and go straight into that. As far as I know to. But I might make another video of that. Once that's done, back out of it. Your system's ready to do. Right. Go to videos. I'll show you. Exodus. I'll put a TV show on. Most popular, that's what I normally do, easy. Wait for it to work. That's on. Come over, Game of Thrones, click onto it. Click onto there. Click onto that just to try it out. I will zoom out a bit because somehow it's gone in. Let's go and see his few resources. Working all the sources for it. Now normally you see HD and go for them, but don't. Come down, SD. Go into one of them. I just use VodLocker, VidUp, and that's all I use, I think. Them two, and CloudTime, I think. So click on one, it'll come up. Done. All working. Now if you press the OK button on your remote, as you can see, menu come up. As you look at the bar, you will see it going ahead of itself. If that happens, it's all working. As you can see, I'll just try and zoom in for you. See? Working. Zoom out. I'll stop that. On this there are different settings. If a picture ain't right, you can move out towards here. That's a picture and a sound. Bottom right. Sound you get up. Like that. You can change the bass if you want. That's if you've got surround sound system. It's like that. Back off. Well, you got the picture which is there. View mode. Normal, custom, small, stretch. That's if you got a big telly type of thing. Well, wide zoom, that's another one. Normal. Back out of that, press stop. That's done. Next thing is, you can shorten your time on it as well. So if you can back out there, back out again, come down to tools, there, general, come down to second one down, which is the timeout. It takes 30 seconds to search. Press left until you come down to about 10. That's all you gotta do. Come all down, press OK. Done. Press back again to get back on the main screen. Go on to the same one, TV shows, most popular, Game of Thrones, same one, Red Woman, click onto it. It's a lot faster. Click onto one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, a lot faster.
What would you say if I told you of a great sinner in our very midst?
That's that part done. Back out to the main screen. Main screen.